Setting up specific products in Nayax Core is key for precise tracking, reporting, and inventory management. It lets you monitor sales by product, adjust pricing, run targeted promotions, and much more. On the dashboard of your Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Administration tab. Select the Products tab from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create button. In the drop-down menu, click on Add Product. Fill in the mandatory fields under Product Info. It is also important to fill in as many details as possible, even if the fields are not mandatory, including the volume type. Enter the details under Product Pricing. If you have the BI module enabled, be sure to complete all fields here, including the product cost price, to fully utilize reporting and insights. Another optional feature is to add nutrition information about this product. This is highly recommended when using the Nova Market. Complete additional details in the Additional Info section. Continue adding as many details as possible in the MISC Info section. Once you have filled in all the details, click on the Save button. A pop-up will be displayed, confirming the product was created successfully. We hope this guide was able to walk you through the process. We ask you to please help us help you by leaving feedback. Thanks for watching.